Hello, friends, and welcome to SK Dreams Kitchen. Today's menu is egg kurma. Here, I have taken 4 eggs. We are gonna make few small slits on them. I have added a little salt as well as a little turmeric powder. We are gonna coat the eggs. Here I am adding 2 tablespoon oil. Now we are gonna fry each egg. I am frying them at low flame. Eggs are ready. Remove them in a separate plate. In the same pan, I am putting 2 tablespoon oil. Here I have added 1 cinnamon, 1 cardamom and 2 clove. Here I am adding 1 onion paste. Now we are going to cook it nicely. Now I am adding 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. We are gonna cook these nicely as well. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 1 teaspoon cumin powder. Mix it well. Here I am adding a little water. Going to mix that and then cook it nicely. I have kept the gas in low flame. Here I am adding cashew paste. It is almost 25 cashew. Mix it well. I have kept the gas in medium to high flame. Here I have 3 tablespoon curd. I have beaten the curd nicely. We're gonna mix that as well. Here I'm adding a bit salt. You can add it according to your taste. Now let's add all the fried eggs. Here I have about 4 to 5 green chilies. You can add it according to your spice tolerance. Here I am adding about 1 cup milk. Here I have few fried onions. I am adding those. Here, put the lid and we are going to cook it for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes are over. Egg kurma is almost ready. Here I am adding 1 teaspoon Garam Masala. Gonna mix that. I am adding 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix that as well. Here I am garnishing it with a few fried onions. And our egg kurma is ready.